Hi, welcome to my VGR tutorial point. Today topic is how to Windows system boost and CMD three commands most useful every computer user, student level and church level. How to boost your whole system. It is after that three commands you can utilize. After that once restart your system, and after that the system speed you can observe what are this. Now I will let us go to the screen record. Welcome to back my channel VGR Learn Point. Today I will tell to three steps how to utilize your system and boost your system speed. Now I will tell you this one. The first you can type Windows R and recent files, then Control A, delete. After that press again Windows R, type percentage of temp and click again. The 24 files are there. Control A, delete this one. After deleting, press again Windows R, type free page and click OK. Then pop-up window appears and continue this options. The 92 files are there. Control A, delete. This way you can, after these three commands is finished, you can restart your system and what are the speed you can observe also. Check your system performance very speed. You observe this. The fraction of milliseconds you can open this files also. It is very speed. That is the usage of this three commands. Please utilize these three commands. What are the happening after you applying these three commands, after restart your system speed or boost or not? Please comment. Thanking you once again, your VGR Learn. Thanking you once again, your VGR Learn. So many tips and tricks is coming this channel.